Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you have found that video. Today's episode is going to be on how to bead your dress. You can see the way I'm trying to bead this particular fabric. All what you have to do is to get your bead. Like here now, I'm making it of rice bead and that sequence bead. So the first thing you have to do if you are making it of this is to put your needle inside one end of the sequence, then you put your rice on it, maybe 4 pieces or 3 pieces you want to insert. After that, you now put it at the second end of this sequence before you can now insert the needle inside, as in inside your fabric. Then it's going to be perfect like that, as you're going to stitch down like that. You can see now, you can see how I'm doing it. You can see how far I've gone. So you can try to make a flower with it, like drawing a particular flower on the fabric, then you start tracing it out. So it's going to turn out nice. If you want to do it on a gown or any part that you want to bead on your dress, just make sure you are doing it accordingly and make sure it's very straight. You can see how beautiful this is turning to. So this is how you continue doing it until you finish all the space you want to bead. Just be doing it accordingly. Here is an example of beaded dress. You can see how beautiful this turns out. So if you follow the steps, your too is going to turn out nice. This is another beautiful examples of a beaded dress. You can see how fine, how elegant this particular dress is. So just make sure you follow the steps. And here is another beading method. You can see this one is just a straight bead. We're using crystal bead for this. So, and this is how we're going to count the number of beads we want it to pass through the needle to the thread. Then that will be the length of the bead that we're using for the back. So you're going to see how it's going to be at the back, because this is the particular place that we're going to put the bead on. You can see this area. So I want to show you the one we have done. So this is the one I'm talking about. We have aligned the bead at the back of the top. It's a kaftan top. It's a boo top, you can see. So I've lined the bead at the back of the top. So the belt you are seeing is just an inner belt to make it straight. If you're watching for the first time, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing tutorials. And for those of you that have already subscribed, I really appreciate you guys for watching my video. Always see my next tutorial. Bye.